Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an independently published deck, the Nebulas Mirror Oracle, a 35 card deck and guidebook by Wizard Nomad. This retails for $34.84 in the US, and I will link everywhere that you can purchase this down in the description box below. Thank you so much to Wizard Nomad for sending this our way. I am really intrigued by this. This sounds really cool. So it says, delve into the ethereal realms of Nebula's Mirror, accompanied by fairies, angels, mermaids, and other entities. They will take you on a journey with light and movement, where the more you look, the more you see. So I'm really intrigued, and they are channeled images as well, so that's really cool too. I believe in magic. Nice. Love the little detail like that. There's the bottom of the deck. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's the back. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's take a look at the guidebook to see if there's a specific way we need to utilize this. All right, we have an introduction about the deck, how to get the most from your deck, and then reading the cards. We do have some spreads and then the interpretations. Very, very cool. Each card has their own page number. Love that. Each card offers visual healing and opportunities to feel movement and emotion, providing the necessary information you require in each precise moment. Ethereal beings and light codes co-create to transmit messages in their own unique way, leaving space for personal interpretation. The book and interpretations serve as a reminder to always return to self. You know what to do. These cards were created to teach you, to guide you, explore, and appreciate the art. They were created from personal adventures of realm hopping, portal transfers, and even some psychedelic rainbows. The deck was created with organic flow, freedom, and least resistance, with the inner child and dreamer playing their part too. I love that. Pull the cards intuitively. Don't overthink the process and let your instincts guide you. And then reflect on the messages. Awesome. Oracle cards don't have a fixed universal meaning, so interpret the cards based on your intuition, feelings, and messages they convey. Awesome. Okay. So no particular way that you need to utilize it. So we have a 1-card spread, past, present, and future. And then the nebulous portal there. Oh, and it's all color printed in here. Oh, that's very nice. Okay. Oh, we have beans. Oh, that's really cool. So that's awesome. I'm excited. Okay. So there's the back of the deck again. And it looks like a mat. Cardstock is nice. For me, it's like a medium thickness. It's not too thick at all. I feel like it's going to shuffle really nicely. It does snap back, very, very flexible. Okay, well, let's get into it. Oh, that is so neat. So we do have a keyword on the side here. It does not look like it's numbered. And now you can see the beans in there. Oh, that is so cool. This kind of reminds me a little bit of those like I Spies I don't know if I don't think that that's the right title, but you know those images that you have to get really close to and then back away from to see the whole image? I feel like it's going to be one of those decks where you're just going to see something new every time you use it. So this one was titled Alive, and then we have Ascension. It might be hard to see on the screen, so I'll just read the title out loud. That is gorgeous. Chakras Light. Beautiful. Dark Moon. Dreamweaver. Oh, that's cool. Echo. Oh, I love that. Eclipsed. Fall's Embrace. Galaxy Waves. Oh, this is just beautiful. It feels so serene. Heart. Oh. Humbling Forest. I feel like this could be a very deep deck. Intuition. A very healing deck. Journey to the Stars. Kali's Gateway. Love. Patience. Play. Portals. Protected. Rainbow's Raven. This is just stunning. Rising. Sacred Winter. Sea of Moons. Springs Unfolding. Spirit's Core. Ooh. Sprite's Shimmer. Summer's Shine. The Goddess. Oh, that is stunning. Oh, the Masculine. The Mirror. The Well. The Wish. I am thoroughly enjoying this. This is a beautiful deck. The Witch. I love that too. Ooh, Time. And Violet Flame. Wow. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. I want to shuffle it side by side. I like that too. Perfect. And overhand, let's give that a try. Yeah. No complaints here. Let's get a card to read, please. We're going to read for the Fall's Embrace. Fall's Embrace. Okay, wow. So we have some keywords: harvest, acknowledgement, and gratitude. In the gentle process of fall's enchanting colors, a season of transition unfolds, inviting you to prepare for the pathway ahead. This image brings forth a warming message, guiding you to take joy in the wisdom of this transformative time. Like a diligent gardener, it is time to collect the fruits of your experiences and gather the knowledge that will guide you through the next stages of your path. As the earth celebrates the harvest, it is a reminder to celebrate your own growth and the energy and devotion you have invested in your journey. Remember the seeds you have sown and nurtured throughout the seasons of your life. Each experience, whether bountiful or challenging, has contributed to your personal evolution. Where you are right now is once where you wished to be. Just as the falling leaves reveal the naked beauty of the trees, it's an invitation to shed the layers that no longer serve you. Release old beliefs, patterns, and attachments that hinder your progress. Create space within your heart and mind for the new seeds of intention and transformation to take root. In this season of harvest, gather the wisdom of fall's embrace. Open yourself to the teachings of life that is going to present to you. Seek knowledge, explore new perspectives, and expand your understanding of the world. This moment of preparation equips you with the tools required to navigate the path ahead, empowering you for the deeper delve for the sacred winter. Admire the beauty of transition, dear seeker, for it is in these moments of change that we find the most profound expansion. Look upon the season passed with gratitude, acknowledging the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the inner growth that is flourishing within you. Trust in the natural rhythm of life and have faith in your ability to adapt and thrive amidst transformation. I love this. I love that we actually have some keywords. I love that you can interpret it in what way you need to for the time of your reading. Some things are going to pop out at you more than others each time you use it. I feel it's very calming. It's very encouraging. I really love that, this is just such a creative and different deck. It might not be for everyone, but I do believe that it is something that if you are intrigued by it, definitely take a deeper look within it. I'm not mad at the price tag either. That equates to $1 a card. That's not bad for me personally. I think that's awesome. The artwork is stunning. It's beautiful. I really don't have any criticisms to say. I think it's going to be a great deck for whatever purpose you want to use it for. A daily pull, confirmation, healing work, you name it. I think it'll be great. I love the message that this gave as well, especially as of filming this, we're going into the fall season. So I feel like it is the perfect omen here. So with all that being said, thank you so much to Wizard Nomad for sending this our way. I think it's absolutely stunning and beautiful, and I'm excited to get to know it on a deeper level. I would love to know what you think about this. Is this something that you've already known about? I believe it was a Kickstarter prior to being independently published. And is this something that you're excited about? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I love hearing back from you guys. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out tremendously with the algorithm gods. Thank you all again for spending your time with me and hanging out, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.